Hello, hi everyone. I'm recording this tutorial without any planning, kind of extempore. I tried if this comes out anything useful. So let's go to the topic. I trying to create these curves, not those, but like we need curves between two layers. Slack, Christian from Slack is asking how to make that. So I'm going to try to make that. So let's create this layer and now we would have like two layers here. Maybe like that. So my plan is to, so we would have curves like this and then have some jitter, some randomness for them. I don't know if this will work. Let's see what happens. So let's go there and take these curves to here and let's add surface particle generator. Idea is to generate particles to the both surfaces and then make curves between those particles. Hard to type same time as I'm speaking. So now we have that surface particle generator and duplicate it and like this. And then we take particle array from particles to array. I think they go like sometimes it's like particles to array and some operators are like mesh from UV or something like that. I think it would be nice if those were always like same. And here we need same amount of particles in both. So let's get sailing there and let's make it 5. Okay. Why can't I hide that? That's strange. Whatever. Particles to arrow. Okay, we have those there. Let's link these also together. Now we have same settings for both. Okay, let's try what happened. I don't know what we have to do. We have, let's merge array. I don't know because I think we and then we new mesh, and then we use the create polygons. Let's make it a stack already. Create polygons, and let's take the positions there. This array, merge those two, and face, curve, and none, and bridge. Okay, this was much easier than I thought it was, and we didn't even need any Harry kit because I thought I don't know how to say it. I was thinking before that we have to use Harry kit to manipulate those arrows, but we don't. So let's add seed there and seed there, and okay, now we can change the seed here. Yes, it works. I don't know why they are so cluttered in one place, but I don't know. You can't control the random, but we can add more particles. But that's also interesting because if I okay, maybe there's no space for more particles. Okay. Next step is we actually need new stack for it because the meshes can't reference to themselves. We have new mesh. Let's give this some name. Curves. Connect. And this is curves jitter. Okay. Now I think I could have used a better resolution for this, or not better, like a smaller. It's a full screen. It's sorry for that. It will be small. I think it's much better to use a smaller resolution for the tutorials. So now link our curves here. We have them in the new mesh, and then use jitter, and actually you can do this with jitter, but I used it's from some Steve's kit is turbulence, not we use turbulence force, but it's the force follow force zoom force, urinary surface force. There was some, like, it's not force probe. There was something that we can use enforcer. We can use force to jitter those, give them that randomness or curliness or whatever. But before we do that, we have to rebuild. So we have like enough points. I don't know what is enough. 20, 25 maybe. And then we enforce, use the force. Yes, no, wrong. Force here. Okay, that we can hide. So it looks like that now. And we use fall off, curve, fall off. Curve fall off here, and tool pipe, plug it in, and curves, we use the same curve for the fall off as we are going to deform. And let's get the length here. I don't have it in. So let's check if we have like this. Now it's only deforming in the center. So what we can do next is use, this is from the Steve kit also, zoom force. So you could use the jitter for this also, but I wanna try it this way. I'm doing wrong. I have to need to connect the force to this zoom force, not the fall off. Sorry. And here we have that, and then we can make it smaller, and that might be too small. I don't know, 50. I got another idea. 50 like this. Yeah. There's some problems because those are going like, I don't know if there's any way we could, like they are, these points are going here and these points are going here. I don't know if there's any way we can do this, but it would be nice if there was some other way to control. Maybe I can't figure out it now like live, but maybe later. So, and then we continue to adjust this force a bit more, because I haven't used it, but there's a blend force, I think, also from the Steve's kit, or is there? Force. It would be nice if we could write force blend or blend force. Binary force is the right one, I think. And we take this one here and let's duplicate this one. I'm planning to set up a Patreon where I think I would upload these scanners so you can download them and like that. So I will upload this skin to Slack, but if you want to find it later, I'm planning to create an Patreon, and it will be of course all the other scanners I made for the tutorials. So let's take this off and let's make this zoom to 100. Okay, so we get this bigger variation now. This variation here now, and when we add this, we get this smaller variation. Okay, actually we could use, I think we wanna change this curve a bit like, more like this and this. Okay, I think we are close to the final. Ching 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 ching. Yep, and if do something more, we could use like curve particle generator. Do we have it here? I'm slow at typing today. Curve here and then at the replicator. New mesh. And let's just manually create a curve here. Curve, curve, curve. Okay, and it's not even close to the center. Set center now. Now we have this kind of particle rotation. We can also now it's looking quite nice. Adding some scale here. Actually, we don't have the rotation jitter. Let's make it SATA and change that a bit. No. Okay, now we have mess. Now we have a nice mess. So I think this wasn't too bad. I'll upload it so you can like and subscribe. And I don't know, maybe comment if you like this kind of format that is not so polished, because I know I can, it's easier for me, faster to do stuff like this than like a really polished tutorial. But yes, okay, it's working good enough. Bye.